Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I am in Australia, and it's a bit cool today. Look, we've got sleeves on. Look at this, we've got long sleeves because it's cooler. Actually outside now it's a bit warm, but it was cooler today, so that was really good. Now we're heading for winter. I've got a parcel or envelope here today. Entry in my this will be the first entry into my competition. This is from Wendy Mason, and she lives in Queensland in Australia, and this is her really cool envelope that she's made me, I'd say, by the look of that. And and I've got to get his off here and undo this. Thank you very much, Wendy. I really appreciate that you're entering in my challenge. It's for my 5 years on YouTube challenge. Wait a minute, that's not coming undone now. That's not going to let me take that up there. Oh, I see. Well, I don't think I've got anything to cut that. I'm going to have to be careful now. What have you done to me, Wendy? This has got this stuck down here really good. Hang on a minute. If I start back up here and I go along, and I creep along here like this. Oh dear. Hang on now, nearly there. And it was for people to send me a little piece of fabric. That's all I wanted, because I wanted to put them into some journals. I just wanted to collect up some different pieces. That's a nice envelope. Thank you so much for that. And she's made that out of a piece of calendar. Now I can see that because it's got inside little, it says Thursday 2017. Thank you so much, Wendy. That's really nice, and I'll be keeping that because I love to hang on to these sort of things. Now I have a card. 5 years on YouTube. Yay. Oh, look at these stamps. Aren't they cool? Thank you so much. I don't know whether it's excited or not. You dear little bird. And this is a really nice piece of her work here. She does a lot of painting and things like that. Oh, look, and here's my... It says, "Hi Sonia, congratulations on being on YouTube for 5 years and wishing you a blessed 5 years more. It is so hard sending out just one piece of material, but I did it. Good on you." Well, see, that's the thing. It's, look, I might get about 10 or 12 pieces, and that'll be really good. Isn't this nice? Oh, I like this, Wendy. Thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Oh my goodness me, that's going to be cool, isn't it? And it's got these like pictures of fashion ladies and text on it, and it's really, really cool. And it's a tiny bit bigger than what I asked for, but that's okay. I'll deal with that. Thank you so much, Wendy. This is really good. I really appreciate that, darling. Thank you very much. So you will be #1 in my competition or challenge, and I'll just put this back. Oh well, I don't really want to, because I'm going to put them into a bag and look after it like that. So I do have some here somewhere. You know how that is when they start hiding from you, these bags. Hang on a second, I've got one. Okay, so that's my first entry, Wendy Mason. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you so much, Wendy, for this really cool piece of fabric. Beautiful, thank you. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.